RGTI stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm the only guy in this space who's done this for 42,000 videos, 43 over 5 years. So I haven't seen what's printing me money and what's not. So especially looking at Rigetti computing, looking to take it further up. I don't know if you knew the case here, but we had the first pump here where it was absolutely crazy. You know, I started making videos on this right here. So this was like when it was $3, right? It kind of in the beginning stages. And peep the date of the video, 4th of December. From 4th of December, this reached, you know, from 3 reached a freaking $21 level, and that was like a 7x. On the way up I got longs, then we kind of crashed, and I just, you know, here in April I looked to recover. That was decent. And bro, unless I see the price pulling down, giving me a shift here, then bro, I guess I'm not gonna buy. I mean, that's totally fine with me. Just buying anything, it's not gonna make sense, but that's why I'm waiting for the confirmation. So just being patient, not trying to force no trades, stick to the plan. And if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 400 people already tried it, absolute risk free, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.